Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranshi Mukherjee and I post content on my real and raw motherhood journey, fashion and lifestyle. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do because it's free, and also hit the bell icon so you get the notifications and every update that I post on YouTube. Now as far as today's video is concerned, let me tell you a good news, and it is a good news, trust me guys. Nama is going to meet my mom, yeah, for the very first time. She hasn't met him yet and it is going to surprise her big time, and she has no idea, and it is going to be so much fun. I'm very excited about the whole trip, the whole journey, and it is going to be his first trip. When I delivered the baby, my mom wasn't able to come because of all this, the whole pandemic situation that has been going on since the very beginning of this year, and she really misses him, and it's been hell of the 6 months for her. You can totally relate if you have been through the same situation as well. The pandemic has been a real bitch, and when I delivered him, I really needed my mom. Everyone does, but she also needed to hold her grandson. He is, after all, the most phenomenal event, the most phenomenal person in her life. He is her grandson, and especially after previous year when I lost a baby, as I have told you earlier, it has been quite a difficult journey being there all alone without me, without being able to help me with my pregnancy, and worrying and praying for me and the baby that I was having all the time. And it only brings tears to my eyes thinking of every moment of the last 6 months that she hasn't been able to hold the baby. And now the situation is, the video calls are just not enough. The video calls are just not satisfying my mom, and it is obvious. We both are very eager for the trip, the journey, and I will definitely share a vlog with you. I'll shoot the entire journey, the entire, from West Bengal to Nagpur, and we'll share with you her expression when she saw him, and we are going to take her by surprise, and I just can't imagine how she is going to react. So yeah, there's that. So getting on with today's video, since I was packing for the trip, I thought, why not show you guys what all things I am packing and what all I think is necessary if you are traveling with a baby. And if you're traveling with a baby for the first time, then what are the necessary things that you should have and should not forget. You can just make a checklist and make sure that you have all these things with you. So let's get started. So the first thing is obviously going to be baby diapers, and you don't need a lot of them, just enough for the travel day plus next 2 days. Now since I don't like to make my baby wear diapers all the time, I think 5 diapers are going to be enough for me. Now the next thing you're going to need are baby wipes. Whenever your baby poops and pees, this is going to come in handy. So yeah, now I don't want to carry the bigger packet, and since the wipes do not come in travel size packs, so I'm going to just carry the half used one since it will take lesser space in my bag. The third thing in the diaper section you're going to need is a diaper rash cream. Now I use this on a regular basis. Now you can see how much of it has already been used, and it is a must before you put on diapers on your baby. Fourth essential that you must have while you're traveling with a baby is a after bite balm. I use this Mother Sparsh after bite turmeric balm, and it says that it gives relief from insect bite, rashes and minor skin irritation. So there's a possibility when you're traveling with your baby, some insect or a mosquito may come and just bite your baby, so this may come in really handy while you're traveling. The next thing you want to carry is obviously feeding bottle. If you are a breastfeeding mom, you are carrying your baby's lunch and dinner along with you. But if you're not a breastfeeding mom, this is a must have. I use Philips Avent bottles, and yeah, they're really good to go. Now, since you're not a breastfeeding mom, you're obviously going to need a formula milk. We use Nan Excella Pro Stage 2 formula. Now, since I don't want to carry the whole big box of formula powder, so I'm just gonna shift some of the formula powder in a smaller bottle, smaller airtight container that I have. So it is a travel size, and then when I reach the destination, I simply just buy it. Or else you can also go for packing the bigger pack of your formula milk in the check-in luggage, so you don't have to carry on the bigger things in your carry-on bag. Just you can just shift a bit of things and make changes, so it is easier on you. Now the next thing that is very important as far as the babies are concerned, this is a thermal flask, and I'm just gonna take in some hot water in it, so that whenever I want to make milk for my baby, I have hot water and I have milk and I have bottle and all in one place, and it's just easier. I don't want to use the gross water. I don't know how many times do they clean their filters on the airplane or the airport, so I just don't want to take any risk, especially when it's COVID-19 all around. So yeah, this is the next important thing that I'm gonna carry. Now the next thing is medicine. Now you don't want to carry medicines that you use when your baby has fever or when your baby has loose motions in your carry bag. Yes, you surely please don't forget to carry your baby's medicines, fever medicines or loose motions medicine or constipation medicines, the situation that may occur anytime with your baby. You need to have those medicines with you, but not in the carry-on luggage. You should carry those medicines in the check-in baggage, but what you carry in your carry-on luggage is the medicine that you have to feed your baby regularly. Now we feed the vitamin D3 medicine to our babies since it is prescribed. I think your doctor might have also prescribed you if you have a baby younger than an year old. So this is essential for my baby. So I'm going to put it in my carry-on baggage. Now the next thing you need are nasal spray. Not only the kids but the adults also feel a certain congestion in their nose due to all the dryness that air condition causes while being on the airplane. Now being adults, it is easier for us to cope with that feeling, but kids might get fuzzy and feel irritated. So you need these nasal spray just so you can just put in the few drops in your baby's nose and your baby's nose gets all cleared up and your baby is happy again. Now the next very important thing that you are going to need in this COVID-19 situation that this 2020 has brought to us are hand sanitizers. You want to use the hand sanitizers that comes in a bottle and not in the spray, because you don't want something to blast off in your bag at a height of say 35,000 feet maybe, due to all that air pressure, and it may cause a serious damage in the airplane. People may get scary and whatnot. So just carry some sanitizers that comes in a bottle like this. Now the next thing that you may want to carry are a few toys, some favorites that your kid just loves and can't do without. So here is a teether. My kid wants to chew something now all the time, so one teether that I think is going to be a lifesaver. Now the second thing is a soft toy. You may carry any. He likes this one a lot. And I'm going to also carry a rattle. Now I don't want to use the rattle until a situation comes when my baby doesn't wanna take in any other toy but wants the rattle only. Don't use the rattle otherwise, because it will only disturb other passengers. So yeah. Now the next thing you need is an extra outfit. Just please pick an outfit that is really comfortable for your baby. make while you are getting ready and making your baby ready for the trip, use onesies. These come in handy, and these are really helpful when you are traveling for the first time. Whenever you want to change, you can just unzip the bottom part, and you can just totally change the diaper, and you can just zip the bottom part all over again. Extra outfit just in case your baby spills something or any situation might come, so you need an extra outfit. Also, you are going to need a pair of socks, a pair of mittens and caps, because it may get really cold in there. And just keep checking your baby's feet if it's cold or not. If it is cold, you should immediately put on some socks and some mittens and some caps on your baby, so that your baby doesn't catch cold. Another thing that is very important as far as traveling with baby is concerned, and those are bibs. Whenever you are feeding your baby, you are going to need them for obvious reasons. If you have disposable bibs, you can totally carry those, but if you don't have disposable bibs like me, you can use reusable bibs, and just carry an empty Ziploc bag, so you can put in the dirty bibs in it and you're easy to go. The next thing you need is a swaddle wrap. Now obviously when your baby is sleeping, he wants to feel cozy, and if it is warmer outside, this is a go-to product. I use this muslin cotton swaddle wrap for my baby, and you are going to need this, trust me. These swaddle wraps really come in handy whenever you want to breastfeed your baby or change your baby's diaper, or just cover him up so that he feels cozy while he is asleep. Another thing that you might need while being on flight in the airplane, when it's all air conditioned, your baby might feel cold, and so you might need a blanket. So yeah, I have the blanket that has velcro in it, so I just put my baby in and just lock it up with the velcro, and I'm good to go. My baby is all cozy and snuggled in this one. So, and this is really warm, you guys. Now it is also compatible while traveling, because it is small and it does not take that much of space in the bag. So this is a good product for the travel. Another thing that I have ordered, and I am expecting for it to arrive tomorrow, is a baby carrier. While you're on the airport, you don't wanna, you might get exhausted carrying your baby around like this or like this. So baby carriers come in handy. Yeah, it is not arrived yet, so I cannot show it to you guys. I am going to link it down below in the description box. I'm going to link all the products that I've just mentioned in this video in the description box, so you can just totally go and check them out. And yeah, if you think that I miss any other thing that I should carry on the journey, please do comment in the comment section, so I'll just read them. And if you think any of the product that I mentioned in my video was not necessary, was an extra, don't forget to mention them also. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and keep yourself notified by pressing the notification button, so you get updated every time I upload a new video. If you have any other particular topic that you want me to do the research and experiment or publish for you guys, just totally recommend those topics in the comment section down below. I will make sure to read your comments. I love to read your comments. Also join me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box. Please join me on Instagram so you get my regular lifestyle updates. I post whole different things on my Instagram than I do on YouTube. Since I am a new mother, I'm a first time mother, it is quite difficult for me to manage household and manage the baby and the husband, and along with that the YouTube, my work. But yeah, I try to be consistent. If not on YouTube, I am consistent on Instagram. I post my regular life updates over there, so do make sure that you follow me there so that we can have a little chit chat of our own. So yeah, Until next time, happy mommy time. Love you all so much. Mwah.